It is similar to your pie, but it come in generally a rectangle or square format. So if I take it likewise, let me take a subcategory. I'll take sales. Then here we have this tree maps. If I click there, I'll be getting this information. Means in totality, if you if you assume as a 100 value, this portion is a phone is having the highest sale in total. Then subsequent data is there. So if you want data to be presented in a share part or portion of the share to be calculated based on their percentage distribution in totality, then you can take a call. So I can show the values also. Let me say I want sales to be there. On the basis of this data is there. You can compare this 6,000 yes, 630,000 is there, then 5,112,000 is there, then subsequently the lowest visible block we have is binder with 30,000. So subsequently other values are there, but they are very minute in visibility, so these values are not visible. So depending on your data portion, you can take a call. Even though if you're looking for the change the color, you can change the color. You can choose based on your need. And let me take this reddish and greenish. So this higher value in green, then lower value in reddish format would be shown. That's a tree map. So that's a case available where you can utilize case value. So let me go over